All right, Sugar Plum, it's time for bed.
Mama, I want to play a bit a little longer.
Sorry, Sugar Plum, it's time for bed.
Mama, I want to go to bed.
I'm sorry, Sugar Plum, but it's time.
Mama, I can't go to bed without Teddy. Where's Teddy?
Teddy, where are you hiding?
Mama, maybe Teddy's hiding on me.
Teddy, are you hiding behind the books?
Mama, maybe Teddy's hiding under the toys.
No Teddy under the toys.
Mama, maybe Teddy's hiding in the closet.
No Teddy in the closet, though we are going to have to clean up these toys tomorrow.
Mama, maybe Teddy's hiding under the bed.
No Teddy under the bed, but there's a ball and a shoe and a half-eaten candy bar. Ugh.
Mama, I'm getting worried about Teddy. Where can he be?
You know, Sugar Plum, you are getting old enough now to sleep without Teddy.
Mama, no, I can't sleep without Teddy. Please help me find him.
Okay, Sugar Plum. Have you looked under your pillow?
Did the tooth fairy come?
No, for Teddy. Have you checked under the pillow for Teddy?
It's Teddy!
Yes, it's Teddy. And now it's time to go to sleep, Sugar Plum.
Okay, Mama. I love you, Mama.
I love you too, Sugar Plum. Nighty-night.
Mama, can you put on the nightlight, please?